Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Health Talk with doctors from Prana Homeopathy Yoga Center, Pune. We have with us Dr. Smita Joshi today. Dr. Smita is an eminent homeopath practicing for the last close to 25 years in Pune. She is an MD homeopath, and her specialty is child care and therapy at Prana. So we are going to discuss today about role of homeopathy in child disorders with Dr. Smita. So, Dr. Smita, how does homeopathy help in case of children? In what way?
Okay, so it's a very good question. So, first of all, what happens with children is children are virgin, and so I think homeopathy you can see the results like this. And sometimes even parents come back and tell doctor, is it magic? That's because one is children will not mask anything, they will tell you the symptoms as they are, and so we can see the results very quickly. They are very easy to administer, and I think children love the sweet pills, and that is why I think homeopathy is popular with kids.
Yes, actually. And what kind of disorders in children can be treated effectively with homeopathy?
Okay. So for this, I would like to divide the age group. So when we say child care, we can start from day 0 till they are young adults. That's 18 years of age, and you will be surprised to know that we can treat infants as old as 1 day old to, of course, when they become adults. So we can divide children, the age groups of children, into primarily 4 areas. So one is infants starting from 0 to 1 year of age, and then we have the preschoolers, or who go to playgroup. So that is roughly between 2 to maybe around 4 years of age. Then we have the big chunk of children who are school goers, and then we also have adolescents. And so all the problems that are faced by adolescents, they can be very effectively treated with homeopathy.
Okay, and we see nowadays actually so many parents prefer homeopathy over other treatments. So, why do you think why homeopathy, and what is different about homeopathy as compared to other sciences?
So I think for this we need to understand what is the philosophy behind homeopathy. So what homeopathy believes is there is a vital force in each and every person. So it's also called prana. There are different names we go by. And what happens is when we are healthy, when we are in balance, the vital force is in balance, we really don't know how our heart is functioning, the other parts of the body are functioning. It's only when we fall sick that we know through the symptoms that there is something wrong. So what homeopathy believes that for us to be healthy, this vital force is to be in balance. And what homeopathy does is it addresses this part. And when we are healthy, it is at the level of mind and body. Whereas with the other systems, for example, the modern medicine, what they will do is they will probably concentrate only on the symptoms. So for example, if you have a headache, that will be treated. If you have along with that loose motion, there's another medicine for it. If you have, let's say, fever, there's a third medicine. If it is an infection, there is an antibiotic, and to counter all this there is a probiotic given. So I think there are multiple medicines, and whereas if I have to treat, let's say, a child having all these symptoms with homeopathy, I'm going to take the history and maybe give one medicine which is sweet, which is easy to take, and I think that's really an advantage over the others.
True, true. So we all know that there is a lot of importance of eliciting homeopathic history from a patient. And so, could you enlighten us more on that? Why is this history so important, and what does a doctor actually come to know from this history?
So I think homeopathic history, there are many parts to homeopathic history, and today we'll talk a little about history taking in children and homeopathy. So what we do here very specifically at Prana is if the child is maybe around 5 years or older than that, 5 to 6 years and above that, we emphasize that the child should give history. So what happens here is that child is there to tell you everything. He will not mask anything. In that what we get to see is we get to see child without the interference of the parents. So we can see the energy of the child, we can see how the child speaks, the confidence, we can see what the child has to say about his own home, his school, about his friends. So we can really understand everything about the child. Secondly, we will then also call the parents and try to understand what does the parent have to say, and if required, maybe other members of the family also. And then in this, what we do is we understand the child in the perspective of whatever is going on emotionally, and also of course understand the symptoms at the level of the body. And in this, what we also are we highlight is the mother's history during pregnancy. So we have seen that it is a very, very important part. So many a times we have children coming with mental disturbances, and most of the time we can trace it back to what happened to the mother during her pregnancy. And when we holistically take into account all this, I think we can help the children better.
Sure. So, and all the parents have been so worried, especially during this recent pandemic. So, how do you think homeopathy has helped children during these pandemic days?
So I think the best part about homeopathy for children, the first and the best part is it raises the immunity of the child. And so when I think the child's immunity is better, he's healthy, he's eating better, he's not falling sick as often, he can go out to play in spite of this pandemic situation. And so I feel the children and the families who were taking homeopathy, I think they were more confident in that way. And of course they fell less sick. So it saved a lot of time for the family also, and the child was healthy.
So you have been treating children with the homeopathy so effectively for the past so many years. So what are most of the disorders for which parents seek treatment from you for their children?
Okay. So like I told you that we can really divide this, but I will say that there are some highlights in treatment of children or the disorders. Primarily nowadays what parents are coming for one is a lot of allergic disorders in small children, so like bronchial asthma, allergic bronchitis, a lot of developmental disorders like maybe autism, mental retardation, where there's really nothing in the other systems of medicine to offer. So what we can do is, because of the safety and effectivity, and it can be given so easily at a very young age, we start early, so we save on time. And along with that, we are seeing a lot of new things coming up, like ADHD, a lot of parents facing problems with learning difficulties. So all these can be effectively helped with homeopathy. And the other area which parents are seeking help is the adolescent bracket, where suddenly the parents are unable to understand why is their child behaving so differently suddenly. They're having a lot of temper tantrums, they have adjustment problems, they have a lot of difficulties getting along with their teachers, their peers, getting along with their studies. So everything can be really managed very effectively and easily with homeopathy.
And what is the advantage that is offered at Prana over other places? I mean, why take homeopathic treatment for children at Prana?
I think for that the patients will really have to come and visit our center to really experience the kind of treatment we are offering. I think our USP is, one is the time given to the patients, the children, their parents, their families. The first time when somebody comes with their children, one is we have a playroom for the children, so they just love that.
Very
They don't
true.
want to leave that at all. And then we try to really go into the details of everything, and history well taken in the beginning. I think it is, your treatment is half done, and I think we assure that kind of history for each and every child who comes at Prana. And because we go into right from the mother's history, how before conception, preconception, during her pregnancy, whatever happened to her after her pregnancy, all through the years of the child, I think in a nutshell we cover everything, leaving no stone unturned. So the results we get are really very good. So I think that is the USP. And also I think the ambience and the way in which care is taken into every little thing that needs to be taken care of is taken care of.
Wow, so I'm sure not only the children but even the parents must be extremely satisfied and must be feeling very reassured once they start the treatment. So thank you so much, Dr.
Thank you.
Smita, for sharing
Thank
such
you
a
so
wonderful
much.
information with us. Dr. Smita is available for consultation at Prana. Our numbers are all displayed here, and please feel free to call for any help that you need for yourself and your children. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.